pretty exciting. Another Twilight Garden Wax shipment. Cute little stickers on the outside. I love that one all the time. Anyway, so let's see what's inside. These should be Halloween, guys. Halloween items. Oh, candy. She always gives me candy. I'm sure all of you guys get candy too. I'm not saying I'm special. Blow Pop in my favorite flavor. Her usual, her card, and how to take care of your wax and use your wax. My invoice. Yes. All right. Let me look at all the good stuff here. Look at it. I'm going to take it all out so we can take a closer look. All right, I'm back. This is a larger shipment than I have recently been placing, only because Halloween is going to come to an end soon. Bye, guys. And bye, guy back there. And so at that point, I won't be able to get this stuff anymore. But yet it's still a small shipment in comparison to some of the people that I saw who posted what they purchased. And I'm just not, even if I have the money, honestly, I don't try to buy like big amounts of stuff because that means that I'm probably going to have to destash and I like to use all my stuff. So I buy only what I feel like I need to get me through. But these people, they must have big pockets. They were placing orders, and I was looking at the stuff and they have orders that look like were like $150. So good for them, not me. All right, so what do we have here? The first one we have, I had to show it first because it's so cute. It's called Autumn Road. And it is adorable. It is mahogany apple, woodsy notes, pumpkin, perfectly spiced pumpkin. And it's just adorable. This sort of reminds me of the Christmas one she had with the tree in the back, which I hope she resurrects this year. Oh, I didn't realize it was going to be this big. This one is funeral flowers and a beautiful floral blend of rose, jasmine, yang, and spice. Very pretty. The shimmer. Then we had Halloween at Hogwarts, which are the sorting wax melts, which I got because I think this is like butterbeer. Yeah. And it's not necessarily like the best scent that I like, but it's an okay scent. And I just love the way they melt when you're discovering which one you belong to, whether it's what house of Hogwarts you belong to. Anyway, talking out the side of my mouth here. All right, this one here, it looks like a little cottage. And it's, oh yeah, Cabin in the Woods. Scented in green apple, honey, nuts, cinnamon, caramel, maple, spice, charred wood, smoked vanilla. I almost said honey nut Cheerio. This one is caramel apple, and look at it. I've only seen this done like this one time before. Years back, there was another company that did this, but with a candy apple, so it was red on the outside. Delicious blend of juicy apples dipped in gooey buttery caramel. Next, how cute is he? This is a blend of citrus, cashmere, patchouli, woodsy notes, floral notes, and vanilla. So cute. And then this guy here, I'm going to have to open him up. And he smells like straight up Halloween. Whatever Halloween smells like, that's what this is. And he was double bagged. He came inside this bag and then also in this one. Pumpkin bonfire, pumpkin, campfire smoke, autumnal spices, clove, berries, fruity notes, and vanilla. And how marvelous is he? Am I going to be able to cut into this? All right. Next is Cozy Cashmere Fireside. I think I got this one before. And it's a beautiful shape. All right, so let me just say, I got this one here. And I got several packages, which I don't normally do because I just love the smell. The scent on this is amazing. It smells like a dude. Like, it looks like ready. So, cozy blend of apples, sugar, cozy flannel, fresh air, vanilla, lily of the valley woods, honeysuckle, violet, green leaves, and musk, and I love it. So I got 3 of these joints. Supernatural sweater. And I got these based on samples. So sending samples does work. I didn't order this before. I got a sample, and then I'm like, I need this in my life. She on her site, she was having, I think for today only, a 25% off whatever's in her stock sale. And I started to order more of these. I'm glad I didn't, because first of all, I'm going on vacation soon. I need all my money for vacation. And secondly, I already got enough for a while anyway. And then next we have Oktoberfest, an autumnal blend of freshly picked pumpkins, sweet apple butter swirled with gooey caramel and crunchy leaves. What else do we have? This thing is adorable. This is We Gather cinnamon, apples, peach, berries, and clove. I wish I could do this as one melt. It's not going to happen though. Then we have spiced pumpkin latte, freshly brewed coffee, pumpkin, cinnamon, nutmeg, notes of sugared maple, and chocolate cream. Just adorable. Look at this guy. Autumn tea. Delicious blend of black tea and perfectly spiced pumpkin. I had to have the shape. I have no clue what it's going to smell like. And even if I smell it now, it might smell differently in my warmer. I'll be right back. It smells like tea and pumpkin. I just got it for the shape. I like pumpkin, but I knew that tea is not my thing. But still, I got it because look how cute it is. All right. Next we have, I gotta have to open this one up. Look at him. He's so cute. This is called Thanksgiving. Apple pumpkin pie, autumnal spiced, and freshly baked cookies. That smells yummy. And then we have this pumpkin here, which obviously I'm going to have to cut into. Boo to You. Blend of citrus notes, strawberry, lime, sugar crystals, and vanilla. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Birch Fireside. Blend of marshmallow, birch, cedar, sandalwood, and vanilla. Cute. Next we have, I just got these for the shapes, but it sounds like they're going to smell amazing. Pumpkin crunch berry cereal and lightly spiced pumpkin. Cute little shapes. And then finally, we have Ritual, which literally I got and I was like, I'm probably never going to cut into this. It's probably never going to be used. Unless when I open it up, it smells amazing. I'll be back. I'm going to check. Well, it smells amazing, damn you. I don't know how I'm going to cut it, though. It's so cute. Blend of autumn leaves, clove, apple, cinnamon, nutmeg, marshmallow woods, smoke, and vanilla. It's so pretty. And then we have a few samples here. We have pumpkin bonfire. I think it's in the shape of a skull head. We have a little shard of forbidden forest. And finally, blue cashmere. So that is my good-sized haul for me. Nobody, when people start unboxing their stuff and they have a million things in there, I'm just like, I don't even buy anything compared to them. Evidently, I'm a slacker, but I just don't want to have extra wax melts. But this is my larger than normal for me haul of Twilight garden wax. Just trying to get the seasonal stuff. I'll put this thing back in the bag. Complete. Oh, I have one more sample. Strawberry Woods, shape of a pumpkin. Yeah, so that's it for Twilight garden wax, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.